to all of you. When we talk about the Republic Day, it's not just 26 January. It is a reminder that we need to focus on the liberty, equality, and fraternity. This is the day on which we pay homage to our architects of our institution. The architect of our constitution, where we talk about four things: becoming socialist, secular, republic, and democratic India. And I'll say, teachers, we all have to come together to see to it that India progresses. And for all that, I want a pledge from you all saying that, ma'am, we will put in our best. I promise you all that I will put in my best to see to it that my country progresses. But I want a commitment and a pledge from you all also that yes, you all will also put in your 200% in everything which you do. It may be coming right in time to the school. It could be submission of your classwork and the notebook. It could be performance on the stage. It could be playing on the ground. But it has to be done with full dedication. And I want my universalites to have that dedication and that sincerity. And it's not just the students, but the teachers as well. Any institution progresses when the teachers, students, and parents come together and do whatever they are supposed to do with full sincerity and dedication. It may happen at times that I am behind the scene, but the thing is, I am supposed to do whatever my duties are, because we know that we belong to that particular institution and we have to be there, then only everything will go perfectly. I want that commitment in each one of us saying that we will do our best in whatever task is given to us. If the school progresses, Maharashtra will progress, right? If Maharashtra progresses, India progresses. So the thing is, each one of us are important. We need to understand the importance of each one of us doing the task with full sincerity. And if we all do that, automatically the school progresses, right? The city progresses, the country progresses, and the world as well. Today I talk in terms of the becoming a world citizen. We want the world to progress because we are not just Indian citizen, we are the global citizen now. And we want the whole world to progress, and for that, each one of us here play an important role. So I want that sincerity and dedication. And when it comes to coming to the school, doing small tasks, I want each one of you to take the full responsibility, children. It's my school job, I need to do it. If an individual, if a student, works properly and submits the classwork and the homework notebook, and in a class every child submitted, we say that yes, the class is good. Even if in the class of 40, if one is not submitting it right in time, we don't have that 100% submission. What I want is try to understand that how important you all are as a teacher, as a student. You all are very important, and you all have to realize that, understand that, so that we can work together so that our school progresses, our city progresses, our country progresses, and the world also progresses. Can you promise me that, children and teachers? Coming right in time to the school, coming regularly to the school, doing everything, whatever task is given with full sincerity and dedication. I promise you all that, and I want that promise from you all also. Teachers, students, raise your hand, giving me the affirmation that yes, and few right behind also, yes. And all of us will promise that, ma'am, whatever task is given, we will put in our best. Automatically, the school will progress. Yes? Coming to the last but not the least, let's come together and promise that irrespective of the caste and the creed, we will work together in unison for the progress of our country. And last but not the least, let's bow our head to the soldiers who are at the border, who are keeping us safe and secured over here. Right? I would request you all to stand up and take a pledge. All of you, take a pledge. Just repeat after me. I will do best in whatever I do. I will put in my 100% in every task which is given to me. And I will empower my classmates and my juniors and see to it that the school progresses, the city progresses, the country progresses, and of course, the world progresses. Jai Hind. Thank you.